Greetings, this is a very simple bug report for Twinery. Don't know how to, well, okay, the bug report is this. Let's go and show you the bug. I click on, here we go. If I click on play, or play the story, page finishes loading and it shows nothing. Close that. Try playing it from here. Here we go as a starting point. Okay. Don't know if that changes anything. And I click play. Maybe that's why it needs a starting point. If you don't have a starting point, the play does not work. So let's undo that. Let's change it. Let's change it to questions. And I'll set this as the starting point. Now I click on that, and there's a slight difference in the icon. Set questions as starting point. Okay, that's it. And now when I click on play, it should work. When I click on play, it should work. Okay, so you have to set the start. What is it called? Questions. Okay, you have to set questions as starting point. So where is unless and workaround? Okay, resolution equals you must set starting point for Twinery to play. So that's fine. Alright, so that is now my new starting point. Now if I click test, let's see if it works. Okay, that seems to work. And I go back. Questions. Okay, so how do I add images? Alright, so that was my bug report. It's not so much a bug report as a requirement. You have to set where'd it go? It's a bug actually, and I said bug. It's not a bug, but you must set a starting point for Twinery to play, and that should create a new node for me right down here. And I click test this story from here. I don't know which one it started, so I'm going to close both of those. Test the story from here. Okay, and there it does. Okay, so it does work. Alright, so it's not a bug, it's a user failure. You must set a starting point in Twinery. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.